The details.
Oh, I mean, this is all these people. This is like a party.
It is a party.
And we got the right people at the party.
And guys, we have new details just coming from the conference call. Capital expenditures, as you just pointed out, Melissa, to $12 billion. That's up from $8 billion the previous quarter. In terms of funding, right, we wanted more transparency on the company's ability to finance this mega data center build out. They say that they have a variety of sources available through the debt market. Public and private debt market was mentioned. Executives also adding that there are financing options where customers can bring their own chips to be installed in their data centers, suppliers who can lease their chips rather than sell them. Remember, when it comes to Oracle's role in AI cloud computing, their number one expense is graphic processing units. And unlike other hyperscalers, Oracle is even more dependent on Nvidia. And that brings me to the comments that founder and CTO Larry Ellison made in the press release today, where he talked about chip neutrality and how this is going to be a big policy for Oracle going forward. Yes, continuing to buy GPUs from Nvidia, but he also said that they'll be looking at other players as well. And we know that Oracle already has bought thousands of chips from AMD. There's also been talk about Google and Amazon, among others, when you look at where other hyperscalers are investing. So that was also significant. Going back to the road ahead, the remaining performance obligations that's the backlog of new cloud computing deals. That came in at $523 billion. That is up from the $455 billion that was announced last quarter. Remember, that specific metric is what sent shares higher by 36%, the biggest one-day pop we saw since 1992 in shares of Oracle. But again, the street seems to be sort of overlooking that number right now, focused on the financing options, a more definitive answer on what that could look like in the next 3 to 6 months. The call is ongoing. We still haven't heard from Ellison, who I imagine will address some of those questions.
There is a lot to unpack, but getting to the RPO number, because that was what caused the stock to spike on the back of last earnings. And then we found out it was because of one customer. Do we have any clarity on who is behind this bump?
Glad you mentioned that. And that was a narrative that the company has been trying to build in recent weeks, even on the investor day. In this press release and even on the call, they mentioned that there's Meta, there is Nvidia. So they are trying to show that it's not just about OpenAI, which is that $300 billion 5-year deal. There are other customers in the pipeline. But we want more details, and we'll get them.